When we put together two or more words to form a new word, that word is called a compound word. Shall I repeat? When we put together two or more words to form a new word, that new word is referred to as compound word. Now, you carefully examine this word. Pronoun. Is it a compound word?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Surely it is, because it is made up of two units, pro and noun.
Yes.
Let us break down this word. Let us break down this term, grammatical term. It becomes pro plus noun. What do you call noun in Urdu? Ism. So, ism. Pro means for. You may also call this part of speech as for-noun. Pronoun implies for-noun. Let us translate this for in Urdu. It becomes ke liye. Ke. Now, add this. Pronoun. Ism ke liye. Since we always use a pronoun instead of a noun, that's why it is called for-noun. In Urdu grammar, we call it ism zamir. What do we call it in Urdu grammar? Good. Ism zamir. So, any word that you use to replace a noun, that very word is called pronoun. Now I have a question, and I want you guys to answer it. When we have a noun, then why is it important to use a pronoun? Good. So nice of you. As a matter of fact, we cannot go on repeating a noun again and again. And if we do, it makes our language to look somehow odd. If I go on repeating the same noun again and again, for example, Bashir is my friend. Bashir goes to college every day. Bashir works very hard. Bashir is a very intelligent student. Does it sound well?
No, sir.
It sounds odd. It sounds odd. So in order to avoid this, we use a pronoun. Once you used a noun, after that it's advisable to use a pronoun. You can't go on repeating the same noun again and again. For example, I say, Bashir is my friend. Bashir is my friend. Let me wipe the board first. It will take me a minute. So, Bashir is my friend. Bashir is my
Friend.
The sentence starts with the word Bashir. And the word Bashir is
Noun.
Noun. Good. Now, I have to say something more about the same person. Should I use the word Bashir again?
No, sir.
No, I have to replace it. Instead of this word, I am supposed to use a pronoun. Which pronoun should I use?
He.
Good. He is very honest. He is very
Honest.
or whatever you have to say about him. Bashir is my friend. He is very honest. In the first sentence, I used the word Bashir, that is obviously a noun. In the second sentence, I replaced the word Bashir by he. He is
Pronoun.
Srinagar is an old city. It is about 30 kilometers from here. Now, will you be kind enough to tell me which word acts as a pronoun here?
It.
It is pronoun. Ravi and Mohan are good friends. Ravi and Mohan are good friends. They always help each other.
They.
The word they is pronoun. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sheila has done MA in English. Sheila has done MA in English. She teaches in a college.
She.
She is
Pronoun.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Any further explanations required?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Good. Mostly this word is pronounced as verb. Actually, it is not so. It's verb. Verb. In Urdu, it is fa. Verb. Verb is a word. Means like all other parts of speech, verb is also a part of speech. Now let us see. How does it serve in grammar? Or what are its applications in English grammar? The word verb or this part of speech assumes a great importance. This part of speech assumes a great importance in the learning of English language. You will come to know about this later when we shall be dealing with the higher concepts of English grammar by the grace of Almighty Allah. Verb. Verb is a word. Means like all other parts of speech, like noun, pronoun, conjunction, preposition, interjection, verb is also a part of speech. And what is its function in English grammar? That expresses some action. That expresses some
Actions.
means it's a doing word. Means it's a doing word. If you remember only this much about verb, this definition is defective. It will not help you to learn English language. You have to learn one more thing about this. Verb is a word that expresses some action or state of being. State of being. Now I am going to cite a few examples here. Go, come, write, buy, dig. All these words are doing words. Listen to me, stop writing, you will get enough time afterwards to copy things. The word go, come, write, buy, dig, laugh, run, walk, fly, all these words denote action. Therefore, we call them verbs. But what is state of being? What is
State of being.
If something existed in the past, or if something exists now at present, or if something is going to exist in future, that's called state of being. State of being in the past, state of being present, state of being in future. Okay? Let me make you understand. I was in London. I was in London. Please read this sentence very carefully. I was in London. 1, 2, 3, 4. This sentence is made up of 4 words, or there are 4 words in this sentence. Which word in this sentence expresses or exhibits my state of being in London?
Was.
The word was denotes state of being. Therefore, it is also a verb. This is verb. Verb does not denote only action, but sometimes it may express state of being also. This time I am in the classroom. This time I am in the classroom. Which word is there in this sentence that expresses my state of being? Am denotes my state of being. So that's also a verb. But there is difference. Those words that denote action are called doing words, whereas the words that express state of being are called as non-doing verbs. These verbs are called doing verbs. These are called non-doing verbs, or principal verbs, full verbs, principal verbs, full verbs, or main verbs. These non-doing words are referred to as auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, special verbs, statute verbs, or non-doing verbs. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question to us?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Thanks for listening to me.